Using Favas Drive.
What letter L?
Dito na kami sa Mandurah, guys. Let's go. Ang ganda ng sunset. Anong oras na? 6:18. So, doon tayo pupunta sa Marina.
What?
Getting dark because you also were driving ahead.
Oh, we were so late.
Tid ko kasi ngayon eh. Oo. Hi guys, so punta na kami ng church ngayon. 5:22 na and may bago akong Chanel bag, pocket bag. Maganda siya, mura lang siya na live selling sa sa Philippines. And may contact lens na tayo, so no need na to wear glasses. Sienna yung color, parang brown lang siya, light brown. Natural pa din. Tapos naka lash lift tayo and naka brow laminate. Chanel. Hi guys, it's April 5, sorry. At kami ay pupunta ng Basselton. So yan lang yung outfit natin, yung Chanel gift with purchase natin. Romper. And baka mag-shoes ako na rubber shoes. And punta tayong Basselton. 2 hours away siya dito sa bahay. And naka-contact lens na ako. Ayan. Ayun. Let's go. Ayan guys. So ready na kami. Punta na tayong Basselton. 2 hours away siya sa bahay. Kami lang. Family. Family trip. Let's go. Ayan, so papagas muna kami guys. Yan. Kasi half na lang yung tank namin para diretso na. Yun. So mga 1 hour 49 minutes pa kami doon sa Basselton. And kami lang, family. Lang kami, long drive lang kami ngayon. Nag-stop muna kami dito sa BP para bumili ng kape. Tapos pampaano lang.
Chino?
One baby chino for Javi. Yay! Your baby chino is here. That's your baby chino. Baby chino. That's yours.
Huh? What?
Why?
Yeah.
Jopen. Imo ni? Ay, long black.
You get yours. This is mine. It's coffee. Coffee for adults. This is baby chino.
Baby chino si Javi. Ang cute.
You cannot throw.
Order lang kami sa Macas, guys. Andiyan lang si Javi. Tapos ayaw niyang kunin yung baby chino niya. Javi, here's your baby chino. Ayaw niya. Order lang tayo dito, guys. Yun lang. kasi nakalagay customer only. Yan. Doon yung toilet na may nakalagay customer only. Kaya bumili na lang kami. Thank you. Have a lovely day. Let's go. Ampol to.
Open.
Yung gasoline station or petrol station is pangalan Ampol. Yan. So, dito na kami. Medyo malamig. Yung outfitan natin medyo pang summer, pero carry lang. Carry pa naman. May jacket naman ako dun sa car. And nag-ice cream na tong batang ito.
Okay? Mama will give you wipes, okay?
Ang payat na ni Dad. Gabi yung workout niya ngayon. Ako din, medyo pumayat na din. Let's go!
Palate lang.
Kain tayo guys. So, cheesy cheese hotdog, chicken hotdog. Tapos may makas kami.
Ice cream.
And ice cream! Hindi kami nag-breakfast. Tapos ako nag-intermittent fasting. 16 to 18 hours or 22 hours. Last meal namin, 4 p.m. pa kahapon. So,
Wait, can I take that again?
here you go. Kain tayo. Tapos punta kaming farm. We can go to the farm na? Oh, kasi kanina medyo umambon. Ngayon okay na ulit.
Here you go.
Mag-feed kami ng animals sa farm. Magkano yung entrance, Dad?
I don't know.
Medyo may entrance lang siya.
Hey, fun. I just
So, andito na tayo ngayon guys ha. Sunflower Animal Farm. Buti naman, hindi na masyadong umambon. Medyo dark kasi yung sky.
that. What is that?
May entrance fee yata dito and then mag-ano tayo, feeding ng animals. Yan, makas. Kain tayo. And si Habi nag-ice cream.
What do you mean? I keep
Yan.
right.
Let's go.
I didn't mess up the car, Dad.
Did you drop the wipes? Where did the wipes go?
You did. That was your fault.
Oh, sorry. Are you going to eat this one or not? This one?
Which one? I had enough of that already.
Let's go.
Where did that go?
I don't know.
No.
Please do not feed the babies. They only drink milk, guys. So, baby kangaroo yung nandito. Tignan natin. Ooh! That's baby kangaroo. What's the baby kangaroo's name? Joey, my love. It's called Joey.
together. We're gonna do it together. See? See? You can touch that.
Touch it, my love.
I don't know. You can use it. Touch it. You're gonna touch it together. Don't be scared.
Lamig, guys.
Sit down. Oh, okay. It's not gonna harm you. It's okay. See? Touch it. You can carry them, I guess.
Can you carry them?
I think so.
Oh,
See?
they're cute.
See, you can carry them.
Go, go.
I
Here.
got a baby now.
Ay, nasa dad.
Where's he going?
Just saying hi to you. See? See? He's so friendly. See, he's going to mom. He wants to Didi.
He wants milky, my love.
See? He's eating mom's clothes.
He's eating mom's clothes.
Oh no.
Sarap yan, Besh? Sarap, Besh?
Come here.
Aww.
Come on, pet this other one. I'll just take a photo of you carrying them. Why? See, they're so good.
Again, say bye-bye.
Yeah, you can touch them. So harmless. See? One more.
Dito naman tayo guys sa cow, baby cow.
You wanna pet
Yan.
them?
So, nandun yung kangaroo, baby goat, and then baby cow dito.
No, they're not asleep. Just his hair, don't. No, it's okay. I'm touching him. Look, he's scared.
He's scared.
No, do like it. Yeah, he's not doing something anything.
Why?
Because it's
It's a pattern
so
gun.
friendly.
Wait, what's his name?
That's Liam.
And who's that name?
That's Anthony.
Huh?
Anthony.
Come on.
Be careful.
It's they're friendly. They're not gonna harm you. See? See, they like to be touched. They like it.
Again.
They like it. I told you.
How about pattern?
Yeah, you can touch.
Come here.
Okay.
Ayan, so kuha tayo ng food dito. May alpaca dyan, guys. Feed natin. Bawal lang i-feed yung donkey tsaka yung dog.
Just one.
Ang dami. Ang healthy nila.
I don't
Carrots.
for the alpaca.
Are those for everyone? So you
Those
should
are for-
feed them.
Why?
You should feed them,
I
okay?
think they feed them.
But see, he's excited. He's excited to come to you. He wants to eat. Come on. Come on. Don't be scared.
Lama ba yan or alpaca? Hindi ko lang alam, guys.
You want to feed them? Oh, you feed them then. Don't be scared. Just pick one. Pick one. Pick one. Then, go closer. Closer. He's gonna eat that.
How about those two? Those are so
Don't eat it. Come on, let's go feed the other one in there.
Why is we done it? When my friend, that guy.
Okay.
He didn't saw it. He's gonna eat it later.
Okay, come on, let's go to the emu.
No, it's
Bring
me.
it over.
The other guys.
What?
It's me, the other.
Yeah, let's feed the other guy.
Okay.
Oh, it's not there. All animals here are friendly. Yeah, they don't hurt people. Okay?
So, feed tayo ng emu, guys.
Here, there's a
Why?
Ayan yung bata, takot siya. Feed the bread, Dad!
Come on, come here.
Scared, scared,
He's
scared.
scared. Oh, then let's feed him. He's going away because he's scared of you. I don't know. You don't like, maybe you don't like.
Oh, go!
Ah! He's eating my hand. He's eating my finger. Don't eat my finger. He thought it was bread.
bilog yung lawas,
He thought it was bread.
Ooh, a donkey! The donkey's coming! A donkey!
Hoy, ne! Sakit guys, kinagat niya yung finger ko. Yun yung nails ko. Kinagat niya guys. Never again. Emu. Let's go to the next one.
You can feed them. Just pick and throw. That? Yeah, you can. Go, come here. Here's a fence. Just throw it here in the middle of the fence so that they can come near you. Come here. There's a fence. They can't reach you.
Let's see the voices.
What did you say?
This place is fun.
I can't hear you.
This place is fun.
Oh, okay.
Donkey tayo ipid, no?
Oh.
The item scared.
What?
One,
You're too
two,
far.
smile.
Don't worry. They're too far. Maybe I can put the bucket closer. You're too far. You're too far.
Oh.
See?
It smells it.
Yeah.
How about this?
Yeah, you can.
Oh, there's so much animal.
Dito naman tayo sa mga ducks tsaka chicken. Yan.
Yeah.
And may duck doon sa kabila.
Hmm?
You throw the food, my love.
You can give them bird.
Is that a duck or a goose?
Yeah, you can. But you can't eat them. Here. Don't worry, there's a fence. Here at the top so that they can't reach it. So that they can't reach your hand. Yeah, like that. See? See? Like that they can't reach your
They
hand.
look red, but how about the ducks?
Yeah, you can.
Wait, Mom.
I said, more bird! More bird! Babe, look at
There's a big chicken outside.
The Let's try.
Not there, my love. Hindi nila ma-reach. Diri, diri.
Why did we not get it? Let's feed other guys. He does like salad.
Go feed the goat, my love.
He does like salad. I can see it. We are running out of food now. Let's try that guy.
Come on, let's feed the goat
with the
salad. Lettuce.
That was close. I was giving that. Like this, Mom. I will show you. Like that.
That's good.
That's okay. It was that. Let's give my bit to that guy. Ready? Yeah!
Alright. Picture dali.
Bigay kami dati dalakat.
Oh, that's the dangerous guy. Oh, look at this. That's a different one. That's a scary one. He can't eat rocks, but he dropped the bread. He's coming towards you. You have to move far.
Hey, we're too far.
Touch the horn. Touch the horn.
Yeah.
No, that's dangerous.
Yeah. How is right?
Are you happy?
Oh,
Hey, you're too far away.
They're not eating flowers. They're not eating
Feed the pig.
and that bench. Oh, I know that. That's a parrot.
Yeah, come on. It's safe. There's a fence. There's a fence. They can climb. They can fly. Let's take a photo. Look. Hi. Good job.
What? This one in the
Yeah, it's
fence.
okay. Oh, look, carrot.
Too far away.
Oh,
near.
that's a scary one.
I think you need
Yan,
to take a
ubos na yung
photo
food
with
natin,
the
guys.
statue pig. Come on. Hold it. Oh, stand it.
So, ito na yung last. $40 each. Ah, hamster. Is that a hamster? Guinea pigs? Makabuhi ah. So, last na dito guys. Doon yung mga pigs and doon yung entrance banda. So, last na dito.
See? Look! I found another bed.
Yeah.
Look!
Yeah, it's another bird.
That's a parrot. Oh, no, there's another.
Babe, look at dad. Look at dad. Dad.
You can touch them.
He's friendly.
Yeah, he's friendly.
Put him on the ground.
No,
No, it's gonna run.
He's gonna get
Go.
You can touch them at the back. Touch them at the back. Just the back. I'm holding him.
Again. Again.
Okay, can you take a photo together? Come in with it. Come in with it. Take a photo.
1.
Feed the alpaca si Ipa, ano lang. Pauyati lang siyang bucket.
That thing is smelling it. Hold it.
Yay! All done.
Put your bucket in the bucket bin.
Put your bucket in the bucket hut.
High five.
All done.
High five. Good job, feeding. Isira mo. Isira na ba siya magabi? You touched them. See? They're friendly. Yeah, okay.
Another one.
Oh no, we need to go now.
Okay.
We need to go now because we're gonna be so late.
It was fun.
That's
today.
fine. That's good. You enjoyed.
Why are all of us teaching you?
So, wash tayo, Hanski.
No more.
Yun lang. Uwi na kami, guys. Ay, punta na kami Basel. Let's go.
How do you take